Hello and welcome to my latest video. Today we're doing a cute bow bun as requested by my beautiful daughter Dacia. She has a competition and this is what she requested, so her wish is my command. I sell all the products I use, so just send me a message for prices and shipping, and please watch my other videos which I've linked for you below. I'm now going to pass you over to Dacia.
Hello everybody, my name is Dacia. My mummy's doing my hair because I'm having a competition. Thank you everybody, I hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe.
So we're going to start off by wetting the hair. I'm using a fine mist spray and this just helps to brush the hair and gather it all together. Once we've dampened the hair, we're just going to brush through to make sure it's free from any knots and tangles, and then we're going to brush it into a ponytail, and for this look we need a high ponytail. This look is a high ponytail. It's slightly off centre and to the left. So once you've gathered all the hair, take your pin harness Before I apply the gel, I like to set a base with some hair mousse. This just makes it easier for the gel to go onto. Once you've got the mousse onto the hair, take your styling comb and then smooth the hair back. Around the ponytail will be messy. Remove the pin harness, smooth it with your styling comb and reapply the pin harness. Now that you've got a smooth base, we're going to go in with our first layer of gel. Work in sections, and as you complete one section, dry one section with your hairdryer and then move on to the next section. around is going to be messy again, so we're going to once again remove the pin harness, smooth around the ponytail, and then put the pin harness back in again. So we're going to remove the pin harness one last time. Now take a hair bubble, cut it in half.
Way to cut in half.
Secure it around the pin harness. Tie it in a knot and trim away the excess. Put 2 nets onto a pin and secure. Divide the ponytail into 2. So now that we've got the hair into 2 pieces, we're going to take one section, tuck it under and over so that you've kind of got like one half of the bow. Take the other section, wrap it round your finger, tuck it under and over so that you're going to end up with 2 bow-like sections. turn around. Turn around slowly. Keep turning. Now look down to your toes so they can see the top of your head. Good girl. And look up. How do you like your hair, Dacia?
Better! I am 5 and my sister's 4. I hope you liked this video. Thank you. Bye. I really love you.
That's it, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you have any questions, comments, queries or confusions, then please leave them in the comments box below and let me know if there's any other videos you'd like to see. See you in the next video.